What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com, and I got Carla with me, and we are going to make a low-carb ketogenic cinnamon bun. It's gonna taste amazing, and I'm excited for you guys to try this recipe. Alright, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need almond flour. We got Xanthan Gum, the Swerve icing sugar. So you don't need to go get a bunch of candies and cookies. You can literally get all these amazing low carb ingredients and have the same benefit. All right, without the blood sugar going up, without any of that, right? These are great ingredients, all keto friendly. Butter. We got cinnamon, whipping cream, vanilla extract. All right, you can't go wrong with any of these things. And we got eggs. So we're literally gonna turn all of this into first a mess, but then it's gonna be a masterpiece once it all comes together. All right. All right. So first we are going to start off with the butter. You want to take your butter, put it in the microwave. You gotta melt that bad boy. All right, keep in mind, this is a recipe for one cinnamon roll, but we're making multiple cinnamon rolls, but this is just going to be for one. So we got the melted butter. All right, boom, we crack-a-lacking the eggs. So one large egg, get that yolk, the yellow part if you didn't know. Put it in a bowl, obviously. And then you can put away those shells, man. Don't let shells get in your bowl. Next, we get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Try not to go with the organic one. Go with like the regular one, because the organic one it might not be as good. But that's what we have right now. All right, 1 tablespoon. Don't put in 7 like we did. So this is just for 1 cinnamon bun. I mean, if you want to make more, fine. But for the sake of this video, or the sake of this recipe, you just get 1. And you mix all of that in together. Mix. And then boom, you add some almond flour. So you're going to get 1 big old cup of almond flour. Add it to the bowl. And then you're going to get your Swerve icing sugar. All right? And with the sugar, you're going to be doing 3 tablespoons of that. And you're going to add now a ½ teaspoon of Xanthan Gum. All right, a ½ teaspoon of Xanthan Gum. Next is the baking powder. So you're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And you just add that to the mix as well. All right, guys, this is a key ingredient because you want your cinnamon buns to rise, obviously. And then just a pinch of sea salt. We're using pink Himalayan sea salt. Honestly, you could use any type of salt, but we got pink salt. And you mix it all together. All right. Mix it up. And then it's going to basically turn into like a brown manila consistency. All right. I know I should have fast forwarded this part, but I'm going to show you guys the whole process, because you might be like, oh no, mine's not turning out well, but you got to keep mixing though. All right, and then you'll start to see it change. There we go. See, we're starting to see that brown color. Kind of looks like cinnamon, like a gingerbread cookie or something. So keep stirring that, and it should be turning into like a ball-like consistency. Bam. All right, now we're gonna add the brown sugar. So all you gotta do is ½ tablespoon of brown sugar. This is for the filling. All right, key ingredient, because it's not really a cinnamon bun without the cinnamon filling. It's really just a bun, right? But we want a cinnamon bun. So add the ½ tablespoon of brown sugar, and then we're gonna add some cinnamon. All right, just whatever you think is the best amount. I mean, don't go too crazy. And now we're going to take the batter and we're going to turn them into little rectangles so that we can It's like a ruler basically. And then we're gonna turn it, we're gonna roll it into a cinnamon bun. Alright, or cinnamon roll, hence the word cinnamon roll. If in case anyone was wondering why it's called that, it's because you actually genuinely have to roll the batter up. Alright. Boom, let's go, let's go. So make sure you get parchment paper. We didn't end up doing that. We ended up having to use a tabletop. And you want to make sure that you keep like basically moving it into such a way where it won't break apart in pieces when you roll it. See, look at that. Perfect roll. Perfect roll. Now we're going to butter up the pan. Bam, 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 bam. Because you don't want it to stick. All right? You don't want your cinnamon rolls sticking to the pan. So make sure you butter it up. Just like that. Okay. All right. Now we got all the rolls. So like I said, we're doing like 8 rolls, but try it with just one just to make sure you like them. Boom. Right in the oven. Right in the oven. It's time. This is where the magic happens. Okay, now we're going to make the icing. All right, don't forget about the icing. So you get the Swerve icing sugar. How much is it? It's 3 tablespoons. So you add 3 tablespoons of that. And then you're going to add some whipping cream to the mix. All right, heavy whipping cream. So about 3/4 a tablespoon. And bam, there we have it. All right, so we are all done with these amazing cinnamon buns. It is time to taste test. Time to try them. All right.
See.
Let's see how it tastes. Cheers. Yeah, we got the icing at the top. Yo, this is amazing, right?
Yeah, really good.
This is really, listen. Yo, if you guys are not going to make this recipe, you are sleeping, all right? This is so amazing. If you're used to like, you know, those store-bought cinnamon buns from like grocery stores or like Cinnabon or Saint Cinnamon, one of those spots, you know, but you're eating it, but seeing the scale go up, listen, you can make you this, get results in your body composition, but at the same time enjoy the tasty cinnamon treat. All right, guys, so make sure you try out this recipe. We're gonna be making more meals in the future, you know, not just baked goods, but also, you know, cooked foods, meats, and different things that you can try making so that your keto journey becomes effortless. All right, so if you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right, peace.